Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Crypto.com step by step. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to log into your Binance account. So you just have to open the Binance application or visit the official website, which is the Binance.com. So you can just click in here and just enter your login details like your email and password, and then complete the 2FA if enabled. Once you're in, just go to the wallet. So after logging in, click on the wallet option in the bottom of or the top bar. Then just choose funding wallet or spot wallet depending on where your USDT is located. Now on the wallet page, just find the USDT in the list of assets and then click on USDT to open the currency trading options. After entering your USDT page, choose the withdraw option. So enter the recipient information. So the wallet address, you have to enter the wallet address of the person or account that you want to send USDT to. So since we're going to transfer USDT from Binance to Crypto.com, you have to first go to your Crypto.com and then tap on the USDT and then copy the wallet address. So you just have to enter there. And also choose the appropriate network for the transfer, such as TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, based on the recipient's network to avoid losing assets or paying high transfer fees. And after that, just enter the amount that you wish to convert from USDT. And just a note that you have to make sure to choose the correct network before choosing the wrong network, since choosing the wrong network may result in loss of funds. And then step number 6 is after entering all the data, just click on withdraw and a page will appear to confirm the process. So check the details carefully. You have to really carefully check everything and see if it's all correct. And complete the security verification process by entering the verification code sent to your email or mobile phone, and in addition to the two-factor authentication, which is the 2FA code, if it is enabled. Then after completing the process, you can follow the withdrawal status by returning to the transaction history on the wallet page. So the withdrawal status will appear as pending or completed depending on the network status. So transfer fees may vary since USDT depending on the network that you choose. So the TRC20, it has low fees and fast execution. The ERC20, it is higher fees due to the Ethereum network congestion. And the BEP20, relatively low fees across the BNB Smart Chain network. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!